Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of AI Blueprint by Anu. I'm Anu, and today we're diving deep into a fascinating topic that's shaking up the AI world, GraphRAG for query-focused summarization. And guess what? I'm not alone. I've got Emma and Andrew here with me. Say hi, guys.
Hey everyone, Emma here. Super excited to break this down for you.
And Andrew here. Can't wait to get into this. This stuff is like sci-fi, but real.
Ha, absolutely. So let's start with the basics. Emma, can you give us a quick rundown of what GraphRAG is all about?
Sure thing, Anu. So GraphRAG stands for Graph Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's a technique that combines the strengths of retrieval augmented generation and query-focused summarization. The idea is to use a large language model to create a graph-based index of a text corpus. This index helps in answering complex global questions about the entire dataset more effectively than traditional methods.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So instead of just pulling relevant chunks of text, it actually builds a graph of entities and their relationships within the text.
Exactly, Andrew. And the beauty of this approach is its scalability. It can handle large data sets by partitioning the graph into smaller, manageable communities. These communities are then summarized, and these summaries are used to generate answers to user queries.
All right, let's break it down a bit more. Andrew, can you walk us through the pipeline of this approach?
Sure, Anu. The pipeline goes through several stages. First, it takes the source documents and splits them into text chunks. These chunks are then processed to extract entities and relationships, which are used to build a graph. This graph is partitioned into communities using algorithms like Leiden. Each community is summarized, and these summaries are used to answer user queries. It's like a multi-layered approach to understanding and summarizing large texts.
And it's not just about summarization. The goal is to provide comprehensive and diverse answers to complex questions. For instance, if you ask about the main themes in a data set, this approach can give you a well-rounded answer by summarizing the relevant parts from various communities within the graph.
That's a great point, Emma. One of the key advantages here is that it combines the strengths of both local and global summarization methods. Traditional RAG methods struggle with global questions, but this graph-based approach excels in that area.
Exactly. And the paper we're discussing today actually shows that this method leads to substantial improvements in both comprehensiveness and diversity of the generated answers compared to a naive RAG baseline.
Right, and they even provide an open source Python-based implementation, which is awesome for anyone looking to experiment with this approach themselves.
Let's talk about some real-world applications. Emma, how can this approach be used to solve business problems?
Good question, Anu. One example is in competitive intelligence. Companies can use this approach to analyze large volumes of market reports, news articles, and social media posts. By building a graph of key entities like competitors, products, and market trends, and then querying this graph, businesses can get comprehensive insights that help in strategic decision making.
And let's not forget about industries like healthcare. Imagine being able to query a vast corpus of medical research papers to find out the main themes in cancer treatment advancements. This could significantly speed up the research process and lead to faster medical breakthroughs.
Absolutely. And in the legal field, this approach can be used to analyze large sets of legal documents, case laws, and statutes. Lawyers can quickly get a comprehensive summary of relevant cases and legal principles, which can be a game changer in legal research.
Wow, the possibilities are endless. All right, let's summarize what we've discussed today. Emma, can you do the honors?
Of course, Anu. So today we talked about GraphRAG, a method that combines retrieval augmented generation with query-focused summarization using a graph-based approach. This technique is scalable, effective for global summarization, and provides comprehensive and diverse answers to complex queries. We also discussed its potential applications in various industries like business intelligence, healthcare, and legal research. And don't forget, there's an open source implementation available for those who want to dive in.
That's right. And if you're interested in staying updated with more cutting edge AI topics, Make sure to subscribe to our podcast and share it with your friends. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Until next time, this is Anu, signing off. Stay curious and keep exploring the AI blueprint.